Hi, my name is Megan and I'm currently living in Shenzhen, China, and this is my day-to-day. To start off the day, I will normally take the little girl to school with her grandma, but today is my day off, so I did not do that. Instead, I have plans to meet up with a friend. We're gonna go get some boba and study our Mandarin together because it's a really hard language and you kind of need help. I'm just sitting here waiting for the bus now. I just got off the metro actually. It's been about 40 minutes on that. Shenzhen is a really huge city. I'm going pretty far to meet my friend. So about 40 minutes there. I think I have about 9 minutes of a bus ride and then I'm gonna be there. But this is actually my first time taking a bus. I actually live next to a really big station. It pretty much goes everywhere throughout the city. It's really easy to get to places. So I never really have to use a bus, but this is my first time doing it, so yay. Okay, so I just got here, got to a place called Cloud Park. It kind of has a bunch of like little cafes and boba places. I ordered myself a little boba coconut shake. It's kind of my first time trying bubble tea here, so we'll see how it is. Now we're just kind of looking around restaurants, trying to find a place to eat. These are our choices. So it's about 5 o'clock now. I just got back from the little study session that I had with my friend, and I'm just gonna take a breather. It's my day off, so I don't have much planned. We're gonna have dinner soon, and then I think I might go to the store later. I normally like to keep some snacks around the house for whenever I get hungry, and I'm running low. Okay, I just finished up with dinner, so now I'm headed across the street to a little grocery store that we have, and I'm gonna buy some snacks. So recently, these are the kind of snacks that I've been buying. I don't know what they do differently here, but I have just been obsessed with the nuts here. They are so good. So I just got back from the store and here's what I ended up getting. Got a bag of macadamia nuts. They are so good, so I'm really excited about that. I got some milk because, again, I don't know what they do differently here, but it is so good. Like, I did not like milk before I came here, and now I'm obsessed with it. I got this little guy because there is no way I could walk past all those pastries and not buy something. Okay, so I just dropped the little girl off at school this morning, and now I have until about 4 o'clock in the afternoon free, pretty much the whole day free. It's kind of nice. So me and 2 other au pairs are gonna meet up. We're going to Dongmen Station. All right, I'm finally here, and this is the metro station underneath Dongmen Market. So we're gonna look around and do some shopping. Getting our nails done. Just got back from shopping and getting our nails done. The ladies at the store, they could speak like a tiny little bit of English, and we could speak like a tiny little bit of Chinese. So like they were trying to talk to us and we were trying to respond, and it was pretty cute, but it was a struggle. Now I'm about to go pick up the little girl. Just got back, and now we pretty much have to immediately go again because she has a ballet class. Finally back for the night. We're gonna have dinner soon, which normally for dinner we'll have like rice, meat dish, 1 or 2 veggie dishes, and then normally we'll have like a broth or a soup. Yay, dinner. And after that is when me and the little girl have our time, so we'll like read and we'll play games and stuff like that until she has to go to bed. So yeah, that's pretty much my night. So I just dropped the little girl off at school, and now I have until 6 o'clock free. So normally about 3 times a week I like to work out on this lovely machine right here. My host family is super nice and they let me use it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I finished my workout, kind of got ready for the day, and now I'm just sitting here doing some here we go, review for my Mandarin homework, because I have my Mandarin class coming up, and it's actually, let's see, it's in that building right there. So I ended up being at the NEO building for way longer than I was planning on. A new pair arrived from France actually. So I was just there talking to her, kind of telling her about the city and what to expect. But now I have a couple hours left, so I think I'm gonna go get like a coffee. So the rest of my day was pretty much just picking up the little girl and taking her back home, and then we had dinner, and then after that was like our time where we like read books and we did some like activity pages and stuff like that, and then we just ended up playing together.